Hello, welcome friends. So in this video I will show you how you can create your Oracle Cloud free account for Oracle Integration Cloud and various platform. Right, so let's begin. So I will provide you the link for creating the Oracle free trial account in description. You can go and after click on the link you can create your free account. So in this video I will show you how you can go for it, what kind of issue you will face while creating the account and how you will resolve that issue. So let's click on that start for free and you have to enter some details. So here I will select the country. So right now I am in India, so I will select India. You can select whatever coming from whenever you are coming from. So India, first name, so suppose let me, and yeah, if you will follow the Oracle, right, Oracle, they say that the first name or last name, it means that the name you mention for your account that should be matched with your bank account or like whatever credit card you will use for that. So go for that. So I will enter the email, and you should not use the same email ID or mobile number previous last 60 days, right? If you have used that, you will not be able to get your account created. Okay, so let me fill the captcha. So after verified, you will get the button for verify my email, and after clicking on that button you will get one email for verification, right? So here you can see that I have used the email already, right, and my account is already created with this email, so they didn't allow me to register, right? So let me change the email. So here let me verify. So I will get one email for verification, right? So let me pause that video and let me show you the email what I received for verification purpose. Okay, so here if you will see, after that click on the button, it said that email verification link set. So let me check the email. So here if you will see, I just came to email and one email I received for Oracle verification cloud account. So you can see the verify your email address. So I will click on this and it will go for my email verification. So here you will see the details I filled earlier, it will come automatically populated. So here now I have to enter the password. So I will use the password and company name. So let me put Foxtech. Okay, home region India, you can select like whatever you want and just click on this continue button. After that you have to enter the address. So Oracle say that whatever address you will fill here, that should be connected to your bank account, right? So let me select that Mohali. You can enter your address, right? So Mohali Estate, Punjab, and the zip code 160055 and mobile number 8864019481. Okay, click on that continue. So it will ask for payment verification, right? So just click on that add payment verification method. It will ask you to enter the credit card details, right? So that it will just reduce some account amount. So click on this credit card. Here the address, it will auto populate whatever you will fill. So now you need to click that account type, so card type. So let me click that Visa card and let me enter the card details. So after entering the card details, I will show you what happened. Okay, so once you will click on that, after entering the details, once you will click, it will go for verification, and now your credit card is verified. It will deduct some amount from your credit card, so just close. Now here problem comes. Once you will click that agreement and click on that start my free trial accounts, there are possibility that it will not create the account, it will generate the error. So these things happen with me many times, right? So you need to try again with another card details and all, right? So until you will get the welcome message from Oracle account, your email address will not be verified, and you can use this email address many times to create the accounts until you will get the successful message, right? So once you will click that start my free account, I will show you, it will generate the error because I have used the same credit card right? So first I will show you the message, then I will show you the actual message. So right now you can see that I got the message related to error processing transaction. Because of that, the same account I have used earlier, right? The same account I have used, or there can be many reasons, that same mobile number I have used. So it allow only like you can use the email ID and address and the mobile number after the 6 month you created previous account, right? So right now I have created today I have created the account, so it not allow. So let me show you what kind of message you will get once you will click on this account and it will create your account. So here I have taken the screenshot. So you can see that once your account successfully created, or it accept everything, right? Once you will click here, so you will get this kind of message that thank you for signing up for Oracle Cloud. We are creating your account, which may take up to 15 minutes. Check your email for further instruction. So guys, here you sometimes what you will do, you will get that message for 50 minutes, right? But it will take too much time to create your account, right? So you don't need to be worried about that. Same happened with me. If you will see the email, like 18 hours ago at 2 a.m. morning, right? 2:14 a.m. I have created this account. I verified my email, then I got this message that my account is going to create in next 15 minutes, but I didn't get email till morning. So when I get email, you can see that here I get the email at 4:30 p.m. I created my account in morning at 2 a.m. but I got the confirmation of my account created in evening. So you can see that my account created. Get started now with the Oracle Cloud. You can say that, hi Aaron, thank you for signing up the Oracle Cloud. You can access all the everything. You can see that they mentioned that access details, cloud account, this one, user ID and AR. You can see that. So once I will click here, it will allow me to go for login the Oracle Cloud application. Then after I will create the instance, will create the user and everything, right? So in next video I will show you how you can create the instance, how you can create the user and assign the user to the instance and all everything, right? So here if you will see the second email, what I got is that the second email also I got at 4:35 p.m. right? So the email is related that your Oracle Cloud account is fully provisioned, right? You can see that your account and the service are ready up. Hey Aaron, you can now cloud account Aaron Zafari is now fully set up. You can now sign in into your cloud account. So this two email, once you will get this two email, it means that your account is created. Until before getting this email and you will try to log in, you will get the error, right? So just wait for, if you will get the confirmation email like this, confirmation message like this, then you should wait for the email. And if you got this message, it means that 100% you will get the account created by the email confirmation, right? So thank you so much for watching. I will make next video for creating the instance, creating the user, then also I have initiated the creating the integration also, right? So don't forget to subscribe this video and please like this video and share with your friends. So thank you so much. We will meet in next video with other requirement and all. Thank you so much.